5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And no shit. And no shit. Body like a model, booty so colossal. I wanna grip her like the bottom of the bottle. Drop it down low, bring it up real slow. About to go down, make me say, oh yo.
I came on here a little crusty because I mean we about to do some makeup. Guys, I've been asking for this video forever, literally forever, and I've always been kind of nervous because if you know me, I don't really wear a lot of makeup. Like I'll have like my days where I feel like throwing on some eyeshadow or whatnot, and it's like probably like once every 3 months I'll put on foundation. But today we're gonna be changing that specifically for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you like me and my personality, girl. I mean, come on, like, what you doing? Like, join the family. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. Like I said, this is my blank canvas right here. First things first, sorry about the lighting, guys. I just had to get this video done. It's like really gloomy outside or whatever, so if you see that, if you just see like the you know, the lighting is kind of off, you know, that's why or whatnot. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera. I have eyebrow tutorials on my channel, but I really need to update it. I mean, yeah, I basically just need to update it. So I'm gonna go and do my eyebrows really fast, and then I'll come back. Okay, so what was supposed to take about probably like 5 or 10 minutes probably took like 20 minutes. So I got my brows on. They're not really symmetrical to me, but you know, we're gonna keep it pushing. What I forgot to tell you guys is that I used the Ardell dip brow, and then I used Opal no filter concealer in the shade 40. Moving on, I didn't prime my face yet. Actually, I kind of hate priming my face with this primer. This is the Maybelline Master Prime. This is the blur and redness control, and I'm just going to be applying that to my face. This makes my face feel really, really soft though. I have my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330, which is Toffee, and this is the Dewy and Smooth. If you are like an OG or like you've been here for a while, then you know that I used to use this foundation right here, but I kind of swayed away from it. And I discovered this Lancome foundation that I don't really like because I feel like this one is just too, I don't know, it makes me ashy. And I know if I go to shade darker, then it will be too dark. So I don't really get into foundation a lot. I don't really do a lot with foundation because I don't really wear foundation. But I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me one today, and this is in Dewy and Smooth. I'm not going to be using a lot of foundation today. This is how much I have. I'm taking my damp beauty blender, and I'm going to basically just bounce this on my face. I'm going to be taking a very little bit because I don't want a lot of foundation on. I just want to get an even, smooth look. Okay, so now that I'm done with applying my foundation, at least on my face, I need to apply more on my neck. I'm going to be going back up with my eyebrows because they got a little dusty, and you know, we don't do that. I feel like this foundation is a little too red for me, or too orange. I'm not sure. Again, I don't really wear foundation, so I'm not really used to this whole, you know, thingamajiggy or whatever. But I'm going to be using, again, the No Filter Concealer by ColourPop, and this is in the shade 40, as well as I'm going to be taking this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. No, I lied. In the shade Cool Tan. I'm going to be applying the ColourPop No Filter Concealer first on my face, and then I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. All I do, then I'm going to go, of course, in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and put that a little bit on top of this. I'm doing this with my Real Technique sponge, and I'm just going to kind of just mash it in a little bit. And I use the same side that I put the foundation on because I don't want my highlight to be too light. Okay, so because I feel a little too washed out and ashy, like I feel like I look a whole completely different complexion, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer one more time on top of this right here. Y'all got me out of my comfort zone today. So enough of the highlighting. I'm actually going to be using this black Opal foundation stick, or it's a concealer stick actually, and it's in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm just going to be putting that on the areas where I want to bring more like that, more, I don't know, dimension into my face. I'm going to put some right here, right here. Oh man, one is too, you know what, keep it moving. This is the areas where I want to bring back color into my face. I put it on my forehead, I put it on my cheek areas, I kind of put it on the sides, and I put it right here below. I'm going to be taking my stippling brush and I'm going to be using that to blend this out. How are we looking? You guys, I feel like this is a lot of makeup. So because I have like really bad smile lines, I'm going to be taking some of this Maybelline Fit Me powder in 330, which I feel like is a little too ashy for me. But you know, we need something to get these smile lines out. I'm going to be taking a little bit of that concealer stick onto my nose. I don't really like to do the whole little, I don't know, I'm kind of getting out of my comfort zone today. I'm giving you guys kind of what you want. I don't know if you guys want to see a more natural makeup tutorial or more realistic makeup tutorial, but hey, you guys asked for this, so I'm giving you what you wanted. Okay, moving on. What's next? What is next? I'm gonna move on to the eyeshadow. Today we're gonna be using the Morphe 25A palette. I love this palette. If you know me, you know I love the yellows, the pinks, the oranges, and all that stuff. So we're gonna be using this palette today along with another palette that I may not use or may use, I'm not sure. But I already put, as you can see, I already put the concealer and the foundation on my eyes. So I already said that. I'm not really, you know, a beauty guru. This is just how I do my makeup. So I'm actually not going to be, or should, yeah, I kind of do. I do need to set it with powder. So I'm going to set my eyes with powder first, and then we're going to move on with. When it comes to eyeshadow, I don't really get too technical. I just do what I like. I do what I think look good. I'm not a perfectionist. I'm not an MUA. I'm not none of that. I'm just Cra'Deja, and this is just how I do my makeup. You know what I'm saying? That's all. That's all. Like I said, we're gonna be using 25A, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here. It's really what I go for with my natural look, so I'm gonna be using that. What do I want to do? I think I lied. I think I may be switching some stuff up. Let's see. I lied. So I'm using the ColourPop QAF palette, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. Yeah, that shade right there. That shade is called, I'm going to be using Champs. That's that shade color right there. I'm going to be using Champs as my transition shade first. Also going to be using this brush right here. What? This is not that shade. This must have had some residue or something. Cause this is not that shade. What? Oh my gosh. What is going on? I'm gonna be taking another brush and I'm gonna try to do this over. I don't know what that color got going on. Oh wait, you guys. This is how you know that I just don't really, you know, do the whole face makeup thing. because I forgot to set under my eyes. Don't get me wrong, I love doing makeup, but it's just, I like to do it occasionally. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to go in with that, this orange color that I was talking about earlier. And we're gonna apply that where this little dark, you know, this stuff came out that I didn't really want to come out, that I don't really know has gone on. So we're gonna take this color right here and we're going to put it on top of that. Okay, so you know, this is what we have going on so far. I don't really know where this is going, but we're going, okay? No stopping here. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be taking this color right here. It's like a really light color, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Of course, we're not gonna leave it just like that. Okay, so now that that's on my lid, I'm going to blend it out with this brush first. This little small blending brush right here. And then I'm going to go in with the bigger brush that we used earlier. I don't know why, but eyeshadow has always been the hardest one to do. Or the hardest makeup kind of thing to do or learn for me, more so. But I'm going to be using some mascara. I'm using the e.l.f. mascara. I mean, you can use any mascara, but I'm just going to apply that to my bottom lashes. I like for my eyes to look really open, so I'm going to be applying that with this wand. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but now what I'm going to do is, I really like this color right here. This color is called Full Zip, and I'm going to be using that on the center of my eye. I'm going to be using that little brush that we used earlier, this brush right here. Tiny brush right there, and I'm just going to apply that on the center of my lid. And then I'm going to be going back in the 25A palette, and I'm going to be using this color right here to put on top of it. You guys, it's so gloomy outside. I'm so sorry. So now I'm going to be taking this small brush right here again, and I'm going to be kind of just blending it, giving it a softer look. I thought I was going to add some wings, but I don't think I need wings today. I think I'm going to go without wings. And if you know me, that's like never. That's like never. I never go without wings. So I think I'm going to be doing that today. But before we move on, of course, I have to do an inner corner highlight. That's just me. That's just what I do. So I have both of these Wet n Wild concealers. Well, I lied. These are highlighters actually. So I have these Wet n Wild highlighters, and this one is in yeah, we don't know actually. I forgot what this one was. But this one is Crown on my Canopy. I'm going to go for the one that I don't know the name of. So I'm going to be going back with the mascara and put another coat on my bottom lashes. So we got that. So I'm going to be taking a little bit of this bronzer and applying that to the places that I put the contour at. Now time for like one of the best parts is the highlighting. I'm a gloss kind of girl, so we're going to go back in with some different kind of gloss. But I'm going to be using this NYX, like it's like a lip pencil kind of whatnot. So I'm going to be applying that on my lips. I actually don't remember what this color was. Everything is faded off. So I'm just going to apply this on my lips. I'm going to be going in with this NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the shade Fortune Cookie. I'm going to be taking this finishing spray. It's really cheap. I really just use any one. Get my skin really hydrated. And then I'm going to go in with the Mario Badescu spray. When I say that this stuff makes your makeup look like your skin, honey, this makes your makeup look like your skin. So, and it also gives you a little glow. So I'm going to apply this. Now that we have our face together, I'm going to be doing my hair. I know that someone is going to ask, so this hair is actually from Marchqueen.com. I will put everything that you need to know about this hair on the screen. This hair is literally amazing. I don't really call a lot of, I do hair reviews and I work with a lot of hair companies, but when I say that hair is really good, I will actually get this hair again. This hair is like really thick. This is 3 bundles, 18, 20, 22. I can show you guys, hold on, don't want to show you my goods, you know. So this right here is 22. I am 4'11". Hold on. 4'11". This is where the 22-inch stopped on me. Stopped basically at my butt. I can tell this hair is 100% natural because you can kind of see some hues of brown in the hair. Like when the light hit it, you can see like a lot of hues of brown. And I don't know if this hair may be processed or something because it is a darker color. But when you do, you still do see some, hopefully I can get it on camera. I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but you do get some hues of brown. Now I'm just going to be doing my hair. As you can see, the curls on this side are very pretty, very nice. The hair has a very nice luster as well. It is so soft and thick. Oh my gosh. And as you can see here, these are curls that I combed out, that I slept with. So I'm just gonna run my hands. So you can easily run your hands through the hair really easily. So this is the end of the video. I'm sorry that it is so dark, but it is very gloomy and stormy outside. But I just was like, I'm going to get this video up for you guys. If you like this video, please give it a like. That lets other people know that, you know, or it gives more attention to other people. Like, you know, it show up in their recommended and everything, you know what I'm saying? So like this video for me, you know. Okay. Comment down below. Comment what you like. Comment what you... Don't come for me. Don't come for me. I told y'all, you know, y'all got me stepping out. Can we get focused? Bruh, I told you guys that, you know, you got me stepping out of my comfort zone or whatnot. So, you know what I'm saying? Give it a like for that too. What else? Oh yeah, like I said, subscribe if you're new. Let's get to 20K. Like, oh my gosh, girl, like we're almost at 15, but let's get to 20. And it's about to be my birthday. And yeah, let's get to 20K. So if you've been rocking with me, thank you for rocking with me this far. I love you all. I love you so much. Don't forget to check out this hair. Everything's going to be on the screen. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. If you want to see more, I'm just rambling. Like, if you want to see more makeup tutorials or whatnot, just let me know down below. You know what I'm saying? Okay. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.